The real reason you can understand English but can't speak it. You've watched hundreds of hours of English movies. You understand 90% of every conversation. So why does your brain freeze the moment you have to speak? Here's the secret nobody tells you. Listening and speaking are two different skills. Your brain built a huge library of English, words, grammar, meaning. But it never built the muscle to pull words out in real time. Think of it like this. You can recognize a song the moment it plays. But can you sing it, from memory, right now, perfectly? That's the gap between input and output. When you listen, your brain just receives. When you speak, your brain has to find the word, build the sentence, fix the grammar, and say it out loud, all in under 2 seconds. That's not a knowledge problem. That's a speed and practice problem. You don't need more vocabulary. You don't need more grammar rules. You need representatives, actual speaking representatives. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day out loud. Think in English, not just understand it. You're not bad at English. You've just never trained the speaking muscle. Start today, even 2 minutes counts. Want a shorter, punchier cut of this, or a version with a different hook line?